Hi, I'm Jill Sedian, President of the Garden Club of Hingham.
And I'm Deirdre Anderson, Director of the Hingham Historical Society. We welcome you to join us in partnership with the South Shore Conservatory for the 96th Annual Historic House Tour.
It will be a multi-sensory experience. We really hope you can come.
Please join us on Sunday, December 5th from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. to tour downtown Hingham's historic properties, beautifully decorated for the holidays by our friends at the Garden Club of Hingham.
It's a wonderful opportunity for you to visit 3 beautiful historic buildings: the Benjamin Lincoln House, the Old Ordinary, the Heritage Museum.
Our tour this year is using the cottagecore design aesthetic. We've come up with a color story made from natural dyes, greenery, and natural materials that are a part of the aesthetic. While each room is different, we've taken accents that are within the properties and emphasized those, such as the Delft tile on the fireplace that's blue and white. We've made that into a blue Christmas room that brings the room to life by merging the aesthetic of cottagecore along with the historical elements of the house.
Please join the Hingham Historical Society, the Garden Club of Hingham, and the South Shore Conservatory as we welcome you to the 96th Historic House Tour on Sunday, December 5th from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tickets are available now at hinghamhistorical.org.